You're going to love this. Check this out. So if you want like a storm, you have the storm. You want to add some birds? You got some birds. Let's throw in some water. All right, you take the storm away. Add wind. All right. Now let's take all that away. Just add fire. You guys got that static white noise? A little bit of crickets. And your good old bell. Yo, I love this so much. This is for you guys who like, background noise while you sleep. Very calm, soothing. Check it out, the link below, you guys.